Good morning, everyone. It's me, Maya from Spot Stuff, and today we're doing a little vlog, just a day in the life. I want to get to know you, I want you to get to know me, and pretty much a day in the life for me is driving around in the car, going from shoot to Starbucks to lunch to picking up my dry cleaning, dropping the dog off. You know how it is. We've got a lot of stuff going on these days. Yeah, I just wanted to take you with me and have a little bit of fun today. We've got a shoot later. We've got a stain, we've got a solution. Visit spotstuff.com to learn more. And I am about to get some coffee.
And what size did you want?
Just a tall with whipped cream, please.
With whipped cream?
Yes, please.
Perfect.
As much sugar as possible. No, thank you. Thank you. Every day, I always have a million things going on, and I end up eating in my car and staining something that I'm wearing. So I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite products, Spot Stuff, and get some of those stains out later today. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I had to pull over because I'm famished. But anyways, how good are these hash browns? Literally so greasy. Thank God for Spot Stuff and napkins, saving my life time and time again. Not to be too dramatic, but this reminds me of this time. This is super random, but it reminds me of grease stains. And when I was younger, maybe like 10, my family, we would always go on these crazy road trips every summer because my parents are both college professors, so they have the summer off. And we went from Vermont, where I'm from, all the way down to Georgia, to Amelia Island, this island off the coast of Georgia. It's beautiful. And we rented this big RV, and all my siblings and I and my parents, we all went down, and we kind of like ate our way down the coast. We had crab cakes in Maryland. We had, chicken and waffles, shrimp and grits all throughout the South, Bojangles in North Carolina. Anyways, since I was only a kid, I pretty much treated my whole entire outfit as a napkin, and by the time we got down to our destination, I looked really, really bad, covered in stains. It was kind of embarrassing, I'm sure, at the time for my family to be around this little grease ball, but what are you gonna do? I was just a kid. Anyways, long story short, it would have been really nice if I would have had some Spot Stuff for my wardrobe so that I could have looked cute for those pictures that we took on that vacation, but oh well, you live and you learn, right? Okay, so leave me a comment below. I want to hear your stain stories. I want to hear your road trip stories. All the best comments that are left below will win a free bottle of Spot Stuff. I'm going to pick the best, maybe 2 or 3, and then I will send you a free bottle of Spot Stuff. So I look forward to hearing those stories from you. Got a stain? We've got a solution.
And then your brakes are spot on too.
Spot Stuff. Getting the spots out of your stuff.